Woo. All right. This is to help people with 516. I've noticed that a lot of people have been having trouble with this, and so I'm trying to make a video to help you. This is the resource page that I sent. I encourage you, if you are able, to print it at home and then write on it. If you are not able to print it at home at this moment, if you have a Mac, you should be able to download it and open it, and there's a PDF viewer, and then you should be able to edit it. I'm not sure about other computers right now. The other alternative, of course, is just use this as a guideline and then copy the picture. So use graph paper if you can, or make all these little marks. These tick marks are there to help you. So draw the picture that you see here on your paper. But I would like to see this format when you submit your work. So these tick marks are there to help, right? And we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, this is a number line. So if this goes from 0 to 100 and there's 10 equal pieces, then I know that each space is worth 10%. So then I can calculate this little loop missing piece here, right, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that has to be 80%. And then you can figure out this missing piece here. I'm going to leave that for you to do. And I'm going to do the same kind of thing up here, right? There's 10 spaces, and it goes from 0, this is 0, all the way to 30. So I'm dividing this section, which is 30 long, into 10 equal pieces, which means that this has to be worth 3. And again, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8 ones that were each 3, so 8 times 3 is 24. That's what would go here. Okay, and I'm going to leave this spot for you to do on your own. And then I'm using these to write some statements. So the one that I have right now is this one that's been filled in. That's the part that I've done so far. So blank percent of 30 is 24. Well, here's my 24, and that's out of 30, and that corresponds with the 80% down here. Okay, and you're going to use the other parts that you've done to fill in this one. Actually, we could do this here too, because I talked about that in the beginning. So 10%, that's from here to here, of 30 is, and that's the 3 that comes from here. Okay, so you do the rest of this part, and then hopefully that will help you down here. When you get down to here to these parts, they haven't divided it up for you. You have to kind of think about that. So I want you to think about what size sections it would make sense and go from there. Remember, your sections need to be consistent all the way from here to here, because this is the whole number line from 0 to 100, and then up top it goes from 0 to 120. And that's how that double number line works. On this one, I've noticed some people have missed, when we do these statements, they want you talking about this piece and this piece. So this little small amount, can you make some sort of statement here that includes that? Can you make a statement that includes this big amount here, right? So from here to here, this space. Okay, that's kind of what we're looking for. So I'm hoping that will help guide you a little bit more in what we're doing.